welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. It has been 3 weeks since I posted and I'm back. Pretty sure I said that in my last video as well, but yeah, let's just get right to it. Today I'm just going to do a makeup get ready with me just so we can have a catch up about what's been going on in my life before I get back into the full swing of YouTube. Remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and to subscribe to the channel to see more of me. Hopefully, as I should be posting consistently now. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I said, this is gonna be super chill. I'm just gonna get ready to do nothing because that's how I feel right now. So last time you saw me, or last time I posted, was like in the 18th of April. So that has been quite a while. What have I been up to? Honestly, I feel like I've forgotten everything that I have been up to because it hasn't been much, but it has been loads at the same time. That probably makes no sense and you're probably like, Lydia, what the hell are you on about? As you may be aware, I have a job as well as content creation. So things at my work haven't been 100%, been going through a lot and I haven't been able to talk about it much at all. And it did take a toll on my mental health, but it's all good now and everything's better and I'm just continuing on with that. So that's all great, but that did take a toll on my mood and I didn't really want to record anything because I didn't feel like it would be me. But at the same time, I've been busy with other things and like activity and family. So I went to London for a long weekend and I saw Paramore. I went to go see Wicked. I spent time with family and that just takes up my time. I do love creating videos and it is my hobby and my passion. But when I work a 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, and then I just usually have my weekends or evenings to create this content, most of the time I'm like, yeah, fully up for it. But recently I've just been spending time with family and looking after myself a little bit, or otherwise I don't feel like I can put like good content out there. So that's what I was kind of doing for the majority of April. And then recently I have started the 30-day TikTok challenge. So for me, what this is, posting consistently. So I'm trying to post twice a day to grow on TikTok. So yes, I have been pushing that a bit more than I have been with YouTube. But for a while, I kind of neglected my TikTok and focused on YouTube more. And I've just swapped it around. And now I'm ready to have a balance of both. Well, that's what I'm hoping to. But on a different note, I just would like to say hello to all the newbies, everyone who subscribed recently, as my last couple of videos that I have been posting have done pretty well while I've been away. And yeah, I've gained a bit more of a following and I love that. And I'm sorry for not being great and consistent and just not posting for you guys. But I will be. I am here. I have got videos lined up and I am ready. So let's talk about what's coming up. I have had a pretty awesome idea for a while now and I've started creating the video, but I just haven't had the push to do it. That's why I'm kind of starting on this like get ready with me instead of jumping into the makeup challenges, the tutorials. I thought let's strip it back to the bare bones. Because I've also been doing this on TikTok as well. I feel like it's nice to share me and a bit about me without going into too much detail. And I love watching chill, get ready with me videos or mukbangs. So I thought I'd just do it for my YouTube as well as my TikTok. And then I can actually talk to you for a bit longer because on my TikTok I have like 3 minutes. Whereas this I can have as long as I like. But honestly, look how great this base is coming along. I love these products. I'm not talking about any of the products. I'm just talking about myself because I'm that, what's the word? Self-centered? There's a word where it's like all about them. What is that word? Leave a comment for what word I'm on about. You must know what I mean. Honestly, vain. I think it's vain. Okay, well anyway. What was I doing? Yeah, so I'm applying a bit of concealer now. But what I'll do, if I didn't say what I was trying to say, is I'll leave the products I'm using in the description if you are interested. I feel like I am back, because my thoughts and everything are jumping all over the place. And that is a me thing. So as I was trying to say what's coming up for the future of my YouTube channel, I don't know if I want to give it away, but I have a cool makeup challenge which we can make into a new series with some trending technology, so hopefully that will be cool. And then I really want to get into tutorials again. I posted one, well, my last video was a baddie makeup tutorial, and oh, I was obsessed with that for like majority of April. I kind of don't do it as much now, but I don't know, I just love posting tutorials. And I learn from so many people, and I hope that people can learn from me. So hopefully, I don't know, we can do that for each other. But if you did have any particular videos you do want me to do, please let me know in the comments. I do read them, and I do respond to a majority of them. So just let me know. One thing I will say, as I am a small channel and it is not my full-time job, when it comes to makeup reviews, I love them, but I just can't do them. Or I can't do them as often because I don't have the funds for it. And I'm not complaining, it's part of life. But yeah, the question I have, does anyone want to see the comeback of this person designs my makeup? So far I've done my boyfriend designs my makeup, my brother, my sister, I've got my mum, got my dad, got loads of family that I can make that work for. So let me know if you want that. I will shove some pictures on screen of the looks that I have done before, and if you are interested in those videos, I'll link them down in the description as well. Now let's dive in a bit deeper and get to know me some more, or my plans for the rest of the year. I feel like, I don't know, I've had a shift in my life where I'm like, what do I want to get from my life and what do I want to do in the future? And it's made me think a bit more recently, because I've had things that could change or are changing, or like things happen recently, and it's just made me focus a bit more of what I want. I love my job, and I really do. I love what I'm working in, and I'm very happy with how my content career is kind of going. Like, I do it as a passion, I do it as a hobby. It's not something I'm like, oh, I need to make money out of this. This is the only thing I can do. Like, no shame or anything if you are like that, or is that what you want to do? But for me, I'm settled with what I have so far, and I would like to grow further. Like, I would love to maybe have YouTube as my full-time job, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't know, I live behind the camera, I'm not sure. I don't know. Yeah. I would love to make it money off of this if I could, but I'm not like, I don't need it, if you know what I mean. And that's not saying I have loads of money. I'm not doing very good at this. What am I trying to say? I'm happy with the way my life is right now. And I feel like sometimes I can take things for granted, and I need to stop doing that. I need to like be grateful what I have and actually think about it a bit more, instead of just focusing on the future, because I am a future girly most of the time. I do think about what can I do in the future. Like, I'm only 22, what's next for me? Oh, I've done this achievement, what's next? And I just need to pause and think of the present. There's times when I'm in the moment to do with partying or socializing, which like I love. I'm fully present in those moments. Or when I see my family, I'm like fully present. But when it comes to my brain and me, it's always in the future, and I kind of want to change that. Am I the only one who's like that? So currently what I want to do to improve myself, and instead of like dreaming and like, oh, I'm going to quit my job and become content creator solely, I'm going to get PR, I'm going to do all of that. I'm more going to focus on my job. I'm settled, it's great, it's providing for me, I've got that. And I want to focus on content creating, as in doing what I love as the passion. Like, I'm doing it for me to make myself happy, but I'm also putting myself out there for you guys to learn. It's not about the money or what comes from it or the fame, because trust me, I'm not too bothered about that, because I am a shy girl. I don't want to be that famous. I love how I said that famous. Yeah, so that's my life without me saying too much, because I don't want to give everything too away. I am so looking forward to summer and going on some summer holidays, and I love that. But at the same time, I can't believe how quickly this year has gone already. Like, it's May, we're almost halfway through the year. How did that happen? Does anyone know? Is it when you get older, like, time just goes quicker? Because I feel like when I was in school, like it took forever to go to the summer. Do you know what I mean? Another thing about me that you may not know is I I would say I am. I am really into fitness, and I did love going to the gym, watching what I eat, as in eating healthy, eating right for my body. There was a time where I've lost like a stone this year, so pat on the back to me. But recently, I've been in that slump, you know, and I haven't been able to go. I say I haven't been able to go. I haven't had the motivation to go to the gym, so I have just been doing home workouts, and I need to stop pressuring myself, because the more I pressure myself and saying I need to go to the gym because of this, and this, it doesn't work for me. I'm like, what I should do to help myself get out of a slump, I should go do this because I know it's going to make me feel better, and not like I need to go to the gym to look good, get a healthy body for the summer and all of that. And yes, I know I got makeup on my face. Let's get rid of that. Obviously, I got makeup on my face. I mean mascara. Not me picking up a rubber and literally like trying to rub it off my face. Kind of works though. I spend a lot of time on YouTube watching vlogs, watching YouTubers like Saffron Barker, Anastasia Kinsnorth, Molly May, obviously. I used to be all into like the big makeup gurus, obviously Nikki Tutorials, who else? Manny MUA, Lara Lee. A lot of it was American, to be honest, but yeah, that's what I used to watch. But now I'm all into vlogs and people telling me about their life, and I guess they're able to do that because they have a massive following and like people actually care. And I've just realized I'm creating an entire video just talking about my life as I like get ready, and I'm not sure if you're really too bothered about this or how well this video is going to do, but it's making me feel a lot better, and I'm so excited to see what comes from this YouTube channel, because I feel like last year I put in lots of effort because that was my first year growing on YouTube, and now I don't know. I guess sometimes I struggle to come up with content ideas, and it's hard to know what content people will like. So I really love it if you guys watching now could interact with the video some way, so I can know what you enjoy and what you don't. Like, I do try and base it off the views and what video does do the best, and try to have videos similar than that, but it's just hard to gauge what people like. So yeah, the best way for me to overcome this is leave a comment, tell me what you like. Because otherwise you're gonna get me rambling on about my life, which you might not even care about. And also, it's like, how much do I want to put out there? Like, there's only so much that I can talk about and say, because I don't know you watching this, and technically do you really know me? No. But I don't know if this is a thing on YouTube because I haven't watched one. So you know, you got mukbangs where people eat and then just talk about, like, they either have topics from like what their subscribers suggest, or they just talk about what they're doing in their life. Is there the same for makeup? Instead of mukbangs, it's more like, do my makeup and chat with me. Is that a thing? It should be a thing. Probably is, I just don't know about it. By the way, I know we're not talking about makeup. These are the best lashes in the world. Everyone needs them. There they are now, wispy lashes. I prefer the normal wispies. They also do demi wispies, which I own. They are nice, but the wispies are my favorite. They are so lightweight, and they don't look natural, but they're like quite light for like every day. That's why they're perfect. Don't they look so gorgeous? Now let's sort out these foundation lips because I'm over them. One of the main things of makeup that I really do struggle with is my lips. Like, they're not like symmetrical at all. They look different on each side, and depending on how I line them, they look different all the time. So let's see what I can go for, but I don't know. I always feel self-conscious the way my lips look in videos. So that's my insecurity. What's yours? Like, does it look a bit weird? They're not even. I feel like this side's bigger than that side, but who knows? And yes, this line's really thick, but that's the whole point this time. They are not perfect, but they'll do. I noticed from all the speaking I've done, my like smile lines here have creased, so I'm just gonna try and uncrease it and then set this makeup. But first, to lift in the mood, to brighten the mood, to keep the positivity to this video, let's add some blinding highlighter. I say blinding, it's more of a pinky one, but I've been really enjoying pinky highlighters and blush. Actually, I'm lying kind of. What I mean to say, I used to be obsessed with highlighter. Like, I always used to wear highlighter, and then I was afraid of blush. And now it's the other way. I'm afraid of highlighter, but I love blush. Is it because of the trends and what's going on at the moment? Like, because we're going for more a natural makeup? Like, Is that what it's about? Oh, that is a lot. But I'm embracing it. I'm embracing that highlight. Makeup goes in trends, but you can do what you want, you know? Let's get creative. Would you guys be interested? Just watch me do makeup. Like, I think I've done it once where I like recreated a P. Louise look, where I've tried to. Because I want to get creative and just paint my face, do crazy eyeshadows. But do you want to see that, or should I just do it in my own time? Side note, who knew that Brushworks does makeup? This is their setting spray and it's new for me, and oh, it smells divine. Let's brush this hair out so I can get a cute thumbnail picture. Please ignore that I haven't had it like bleached in forever. I had it balayage like last June and I haven't done anything with it since because that is expensive, but I really want to get it done again before the summer. And to go with that blinding highlighter, let's add some shimmer gloss onto this lip. I have just loaded that gloss onto these lips, like look. So much gloss. This is the Revolution Shimmer Bomb. But yeah, this is me, ready and glowing to take on the rest of my life. Is that a bit too drastic? Probably. But I did it. I filmed my first YouTube video in over a month. And I'm really proud of that, and I'm back. This is me and I'm here to stay. So you should definitely subscribe to this channel so you can see my makeup career. I wish. My makeup journey and all of my new videos that are here to come every Tuesday for you at 6 or 7 o'clock. I don't know which one works best. It depends. I'm going to say 7 p.m. Every Tuesday at 7 p.m. you'll get the real me. Yeah, I'm kind of unfiltered majority of the time, and I'm just going to leave it here. Please hit the thumbs up button if you really did enjoy this video, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. And why not go check out my old previous videos, as I can say I have some pretty good ones on there. Remember to check the description for all the product details I did use in this video, as I didn't really talk about makeup. And yeah, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!